blending words, okay? I'm going to give you guys some letter sounds. What I'm going to need you guys to do, I'm going to pull up this paper that we're going to do. Get out a crayon, one color crayon, and one pencil. One crayon, one pencil. I'll go through each one. You're just going to color the picture that I'm sounding out. Got it? All right, get your name on top. Name on top. And then remember, I would love to see kindergarten spelling. Okay, so once I sound out the word, I would like you, instead of wasting time and sitting there staring at me, all right, why don't you sound out the word and write it for me? Okay? Yeah, don't just sit there and stare at me. That's no fun. All right. Okay, so first word I'm looking for. So we're in row number 1. All right, color the picture of a buck at. Buck at. Color it. Then get your pencil out and spell it. Buck at. Write those 3 sounds that you hear next to the picture. That should be a pretty simple one for you guys, right? Buck at. All right, thumbs up if you're done. Evelyn, done? Lena, you're done? So give me a thumbs up if you're done. Otherwise, I don't know. Okay, here we go. Next one. Very good. All right, in number 2, please color the picture of the cup at. Cup at. Color it. Kindergarten spelling. Cup at. Color it. Kindergarten spelling. Cup at. Kindergarten spelling. Okay, kindergarten spelling. Good. You put it right inside the box there, Jenna, so it's easier for me to see. All right, thumbs up if we're good. All right. Okay. In row number 3, I'm looking for, this one's a little trickier, the sounds at the beginning. You ready? Chuck, it, Chuck, it, Chuck, it, They both begin with that ch sound. Okay? Ch. This is, just so everyone knows, I'll even tell you the names of the pictures. You have a chain and a chit. So ch, it, color it, sound it out. Whatever you think you hear, it's just kindergarten spelling. But does anybody know the ch sound? What letter, there's 2 letter sounds, put them together, it makes the ch sound. All right, what is it, Riley?
I think it's a C, H.
Very good, a CH makes the ch sound. So there you go. You were given the first 2 letters to write, CH. And then ch, I, very good. Okay. Ready for the next one? Good? Thumbs up? All right. All right, next one I need. In row number 4, I need the Here, I'll kind of hold my ass on so you can hear a little better. Color it. Kindergarten spelling. Color it. Kindergarten spelling. Joe Briggs, color it, and then kindergarten spelling. O, S. Color it. Kindergarten spelling. O, S. You hear that long O sound? They both have that, both of those pictures. But color the one that I'm looking for. O, S. Not Z, it's not O, Z. It's O, S. Listen to that ending sound. So sound it out. O, S. Good job. Good job. Alright, you guys ready for the last one? Alright, last one is number 6. I want the B, E, O. B, E, O. Color it. Spell it. Color it too. Color it. Alright, we got it? Excellent. Don't forget to color the picture first, then give me kindergarten spelling. Love it. We're good? Wonderful. Thank you.
You're good?
Yep.